Hello, I'm Female Crash Test Dummy, and on today's Dummies Teaching Anatomy, we're here to talk about smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is much like skeletal muscle in how it contracts, but it is less voluntary. It is also constructed differently than skeletal muscle. Smooth muscle cells have one nucleus and are small and spindle-shaped. Sheets of these cells form the two layers. Do you know what those are? The two layers are the longitudinal layer and the circular layer. When these layers are contracted, substances are propelled through the organs by peristalsis. Smooth muscle also has no striations, sarcomeres, and a lower ratio of thick to thin filaments. And don't forget that there is tropomyosin but no troponin. Smooth muscle contraction depends on electrical coupling by gap junctions. The result is slow and synchronized contractions by smooth muscle. These contractions are similar to skeletal muscle in that there is the same myosin and actin interaction. However, smooth muscle contracts more slowly and uses less ATP than skeletal muscle. And if smooth muscle isn't controlled voluntarily, how does it contract, you may ask? Well, they are stimulated by hormones and other local factors. Some of these factors include lack of oxygen, histamine, too much carbon dioxide, or low pH. Smooth muscle also generate more tension than skeletal when stretched in hyperplasia. An increase in the number of cells is possible. There are two types of smooth muscle, visceral and multi-unit. Visceral is the most common and contracts rhythmically. Multi-unit is located in only a few areas, including the large areas of the lungs and the iris of the eye. These cells are structurally independent of each other. Thank you for joining today's version of Dummies Teaching Anatomy. Next time, we'll be discussing how to take us apart and stow us safely. Until next time.